This is day 2 of making coconut oil. Yesterday we ground the coconut, boiled water, and then squeezed out all the milk. So today we are boiling down that excess fats to separate the oil.
So now you already know the recipe,
Yes.
how to make coconut oil.
Yes. So maybe I'll try this when I go home.
How long does it take to make coconut oil?
I don't know. Yesterday it soaked in the hot water for what, 2 hours, something like that. And then it took maybe half an hour to separate it, and then we let it sit overnight, and then this part takes about an hour, so it's almost like a day's worth of work.
So I will give you one bottle and then you can take it with you. So for the skincare.
Oh, that would be so cool. I can
Thank
say that I
you.
made it myself.
No one know, right?
Yeah.